Ever wondered what happens when a bouncy ball meets liquid nitrogen? The result might shock you. Don't blink. Before we dive into the icy action, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more exciting experiments that make science fun and fascinating. And hit the bell so you don't miss a single moment. This is liquid nitrogen, a substance so cold that it's a whopping minus 320 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 196 degrees Celsius. It's commonly used in science and medicine, but today, we're using it to explore what happens when everyday objects encounter extreme cold. Let's start with this bouncy ball. Right now, the liquid nitrogen is freezing the rubber. Normally, this ball is super elastic because of the way its molecules move and stretch, but in liquid nitrogen, the extreme cold slows down those molecules, making the rubber stiff and brittle. Let's see what happens when we drop it now. Whoa! Instead of bouncing, it shattered like glass. That's because the cold made the ball lose its elasticity, turning it into a brittle solid. This happens due to a principle called thermal expansion. When materials are cooled to extreme temperatures, their molecules lose energy and move closer together, causing them to become rigid. Rubber, in particular, becomes so brittle that even a small impact can break it apart. Let's try it with something else. A flower. Watch what happens when we dip it in liquid nitrogen. Incredible, right? The flower froze instantly because its water content turned into ice, making it fragile. Isn't it amazing how extreme cold can completely change the properties of materials? If you loved this experiment, hit the like button and share this video with someone who loves science. And don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping experiments. Let me know in the comments, what should we freeze next?